Bonjour classe. Aujourd'hui c'est mardi le 2 octobre and I'm going to be telling you what we did. I was a little late. I didn't get to do the video yesterday afternoon, so I'm pretending that today is yesterday. So yesterday what we did was the first thing was the warm-up, which was this one right here. Make sure you write your date at the top right corner of your page. Remember this, you're supposed to have divided your page 33 into 4 sections. So mardi le 2 octobre would be in the top right. And then we go to here. We matched the courses in French to what they were in English, and then we went over that. And then the next thing we did, and I'm on my web page again. So we reviewed Les Matieres, school subjects and more. Okay. We reviewed what all of the courses were. And then I gave a few minutes to finish copying these questions. These three, tu as quel cours le matin? You have what classes in the mornings? Tu as quel cours l'après-midi? We filled in number 1 and A and B. We didn't get to 2 and 3 as far as answering them goes. Or we may have, I don't remember. 2 of the classes I don't think we did. But anyway, so this is periods 4th, 6th, and 7th. And then we spent more time on 4 and 5, where we answered, quel est ton cours préféré? What is your favorite class? And then you were to write in your favorite class, making sure that you included the definite article. Parce qu'il est, because it is, and then an adjective. And we used one of the adjectives that you learned that are in your flashcards. So we answered 4 and 5, and we practiced, because today we're doing door questions, and I'm going to be asking one of these two. And that is basically all we did yesterday. Au revoir. Bonne journée.